Let's get started. So in this video, we will learn how we can use custom domain in our Office 365 tenant. So I have already logged into my tenant, and if you see, we have dashboard view, which we have set up in our previous video. We can see recommended for you, and below that we have all the options that we have set up. So for this video, we can also go to our domain section from here, whether add domain or view all domains. We can also click here on show all settings domains. Either way, we can visit our domain section where we can add our domain. So let's go back, visit through domain section, view all domains. Let's add domain here. So just click on add domain. Let me add the domain, use this domain. And if you are using GoDaddy account, you can directly sign in from here. Just clicking verify, connect. And it's verifying. Continue. Add DNS records. Connect. And done. So this domain was added. We added our domain successfully in our tenant using GoDaddy, which was simplest way. And let's see what happens when we use a domain which is already registered with Microsoft tenants. Let's add a domain. Use this domain. Let's click on verify, connect, connect. It confirmed that the domain was verified. However, it's already added to a different tenant, and we need to remove it from other tenant, and we need to add it here in this tenant. Let's use this domain, which is techsutra.org, and use this domain. So this domain is from GoDaddy, but the name server was changed, and I'm using it in different hosting provider. It's giving me the option to add txt record, or if I cannot add txt, then we can add mx record or add text file to the domain's website. So there are three different ways of verifying the domain, and I'm just using txt record by clicking continue. So here are the details that we need to add in our hosting provider. This is the txt record that we need to add. Let me add it. I am logged into Hostinger account, and under domain portfolio, under external domains, we can select our domain, then edit DNS. We need to add txt record here. Scroll this down. Let's copy this and add it here. 3600 and add record and verify. Continue. We have to add mx record manually, so let's click on mx record, copy it and add mx record, mail server 3600 and make priority 0, add record. Now let's come back and add cname record. This says that DNS resource record is not valid or conflict with another resource. So let's check. Auto discover, scroll this down, and it says it's already used with Hostinger mail service. So let's edit it, add our value, and 3600, update. Let's add txt record, which is also SPF record, so that our email is not being sent to spam. Now let's add txt record. As we have added all the records, let's click on continue. Let it verify. It says that we did not detect that you added new records to TechSutra.org. However, we have already added it. It might take some time. So let's scroll this down and see. The one record is added, expected auto discover, which is correct, and other two it's not replicated yet. So give it some time, and once it is done, we'll click on continue. Let's try again. No. So I have given approx 10 to 15 minutes, and still it's not replicated. So we'll have to wait more time, and it may take up to 48 hours. Usually it don't take, however it may take up to 48 hours. So that's it for this video. Please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you. Keep learning, keep sharing.